it's CQRPGW, and today is the special. Well, it's unfortunately it's the final day of challenges, right? Vehicle only. So we've done the scout, fighter, tank, artillery challenge only. Finally, it's the support vehicles. So support vehicles are good for healing. Some of them do have attack moves, and I actually used to use them a lot. Yeah, the support vehicles are, I'm saying it quick before we get into the match, are Angel, Healing Hippo, Tiny Giant, and the Gravitron. So yeah, 4, and the Healing Hippo. So yeah, Healing Hippo, Tiny Giant, Gravitron, and Angel. So yeah, 4 different vehicles. And so yeah, this is gonna be insane. 4 vehicle, 2 rounds. So yeah, it's gonna be 2 rounds only and 4 different vehicles. Alright, so here we go. In the first round we're gonna be using Angel and Healing Hippo. And then for the second round we're gonna be using Graviton and Tiny Giant. I would use both big vehicles at the same time, but that's not like a good balance. And since the Angel's attack move is weak and the Graviton's only attack move is its alt moves and its rockets, that I just want another vehicle to come help. So yeah, sorry for everyone who wanted me to use Tiny Giant and Healing Hippo. To make it balanced, I'm going to use Angel instead of using both small vehicles at the same game, because I'm gonna get like 0 kills. So yeah, I just gotta use a small healer and then a big healer. So yeah, here we go. First round. First number round. It's gonna be Angel and Healing Hippo. So yeah, see you in the match. Has a Guardian super move, and the Healing Hippo is the Healing Roar. So both these vehicles moves are like healing. Oh yeah, and then both this other vehicles, yeah. So these are the 2 healers who have healing ultra moves, and then the Tiny Giant and Gravitron do not have healing ultra moves. The Gravitron has the black hole Singularity, and the Tiny Giant has, well, he transforms into a tiny version of the actual vehicle. So yeah. So yeah, that's how it's gonna be going down. Here we go. Here are the support vehicles only, round 1 of 2. I'm gonna be using Angel, which is, oh my gosh, so small, and the Healing Hippo. So yeah, here we go. This thing's already fast enough, but I don't know why I'm even buying the healing boon. I should have bought like a strength thing. This thing can already heal enough. So it's like, yeah. Why buy something that you literally are made of? Okay, not letting me do that. Right, I have my move. The only move I have is healing. Okay, at least these are homing. I've never used this thing before. I haven't used it in a long time. Ooh, that does a lot of damage. I think you should only escort using like the L1 move, which is, and yes, man, this thing's a beast when it comes to healing. So yeah, it's gonna start shooting. Oh fudge. Oh my gosh. Like against those kinds of guys? No, that's not good. At least it doesn't have a self-heal ability, but yeah. The best thing to buy for this thing is like 800 extra health, because it like needs it. This thing is so weak. Why? I should be using the Healing Hippo. Like on defense, you should use like the Healing Hippo. I don't know why this thing's allowed to be considered a healer, but it is. It has so much fudging health, and it can self-regen. Like, how is that supposed to be fair? I'm cramming him at the wall. He's getting absolutely destroyed. Thought I was just some weak little small angel. Nope, I'm a big brute who can also heal. Max health you can get to angel is like 3,000. Absolutely destroyed. Someone help me, someone help me. This thing is slow as heck. I'm gonna switch back to the only thing I can switch back to. Oh no, please don't one-shot my dropship. He is an IQ. He is a... Someone help, someone help, someone help. Oh, he's coming. Oh, he's coming. Come to me, I dare you. Then you're gonna get missiles launched towards you. No, you're using the Electron. How dare you? Don't shoot me. Yes! What do I upgrade? The buff or the healing? Healing. Whoa, 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 whoa! You're low. You're low. I know how it feels to have tiny health. Haha. Bye-bye. Come at me, bro. I'm guarding. What is this noob doing? Alright, everyone, if everyone's low, just come around me. Okay, someone's about to die. Finish the tower. Yes. Get this guy. Oh shoot. I know I can. I don't know why I upgraded that. No, I got too greedy. Oh, I should have saved the Guardian for now. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap. Think you're a good healer? Extra health, please. Maybe the max health could be. I'm gonna try to get like 3,000 health with this thing. If that's even possible. This thing is so weak when it comes to attacking. I don't know why I'm not using my healing hippo. Ooh, what do you think you're doing? No. No, 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 no. I'm trying not to die at all. No, I'm gonna die. Come at me, bro. Come at me.
Final sacrifice.
Blocked it. Haha. I blocked it with my move. Oh, I saw you over there. I wish I didn't see you. I just switch to my big boy, and then that's gonna be an unfair fight for you. What's up? I wish you didn't change. I can still see you. Oh, you got the lucky change. I don't know why I didn't think of getting your dropship. Either way, you're still dead. You know, when your shield runs out, you're gonna die. Oh, smoke. How? I used my ult. Controller died. Controller died. This is the guy who killed me when I was using my super move. Electron is OP, so he's not cheating at all. Okay, they're gonna catch up if we don't open up this gosh dang tower. Okay, I have a plan. I'm gonna use my super move. Hurry, escort, help! Get the turret, get the turret. Go, go, go. Ran out. Go, 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 go. Get him. Get drift. Get drift. Get drift. Get drift. Get in there. Just stay around me if you want to survive. No! Kill him! There you go. I can't help you. I'm 708 health. This thing's too weak. This is why I decided not to use the Gravitron along with this weak thing. And I think I know why. I'm gonna buy the shield enhancer for that thing. I'm gonna be dead. Waste. Crap! Leave me alone. Alright guys, so since I'm a healer, I'm going to be defending the base, and while everyone else has to focus on offense. So yeah, so while I defend the base, everyone else go on offense, okay? Okay. Yes! Yeah! That's what I'm talking about, baby. And you died at the last second. Alright, just someone destroy the diamond tower. I'm defending our base on the other side. So just destroy a diamond tower and we'll be all good. Okay, just shoot it. Hatchin, instead of helping me defend, can you just go destroy that diamond tower? I'm a healer, so I think I know what I'm doing. Here, just go over there and shoot down that tower. No, why are you helping me? I don't need your help. I'm fine, just go over there. Just go destroy the tower, thanks. I don't need any help, I'm a healer. I'll defend the base and I'll also try to open up another one of their towers. This is what I mean. Come on, I can't defend both lanes, guys. Just someone go destroy that tower and we'll be all good, okay? Don't make me have to do it. Thanks. Perfect. They're opening all of our towers, so we're gonna open all of theirs. Just defend our diamond tower lane. Just push their base from the lane they opened up our tower. And I'm just gonna defend and push on this one, okay? So maybe one of you come on the right and the rest can go on the left. Infinite wave of mobs. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to switch to the healing hippo. All this thing is doing is healing. It's not helping attack in any way. Oh, as soon as I saw it. And I took so long that these guys are here. So I died. So close to pushing in. But I'm just gonna keep defending the base. So we're pretty much even, except they got one of our towers. So I have my Guardian move again. I'm going to try to push into the tower. Third time I've had Guardian. Alright. Go. Oh no. Not this guy. I hate Drift Project. Like, what the heck? What kind of name is that, first of all? And second, why are you ruining my mob escort? Whatever, you destroyed my mobs. Good for you. I have my alt move. I'm gonna save it. I'm not gonna waste it on you. I'm just gonna save it for when I'm at the base. Oh, I hate heat seeking so much. I can use this though. It comes back every 17 seconds. Sorry guys. It's fine, another wave of mobs is coming. Are we just gonna stay here all day? Now one mob is not gonna enter the base when it's being surrounded by heals. Okay. Just a neck and neck fight. Okay, there's someone, yeah, push the base. Yes, yes, I see someone on the radar pushing their base. Hey, let's go. We got this game in the bag. And I can just continue guarding off our base. Oh crap, I'm scared that I'm gonna die. Oh wait, I just used my ult. I'm about to use my ult move to defend this turret. Come out wherever you are. I'm just gonna destroy you and you. Yeah, it's fine. I would let it go through, but I don't even want him touching our base just to make him look extra bad. Oh no, now you're angry. Yeah. Yeah, okay, yeah, you've won. You've got our base. Congratulations. Wait a second. What is that? Wait, what's going on? Everyone is... Yeah. This turret got surrounded by heals that even your escorting won't work. So, haha. Oh, you need some heals, turret? I'm probably gonna have the most healing in this game. Oh, you bought another batch? Well, luckily my healing roar is about to be ready, so... Alright, just finish the base, guys, okay? Hashashian, again, stop helping. I'm a healer only. Just go. Let's go get the base. Go get the enemy base. I don't need any help. Don't need no help.
Healing roll available.
He died. Not again. Yeah, you killed me, but you also killed yourself. Why not? Alright. It looks like I'll have to get the base by myself, which is perfectly fine, right? Just someone go get the enemy base core. We're actually might gonna lose here, so I'm just gonna go myself. I want to be like one of those games where like we literally were on their their base had half health and then our towers got destroyed. Then they broke into our base. So just if one of you please could just quickly break into their base, that'd be much appreciated. I'm really upset how often the base is coming up. I'm supposed to be defending everything. I can't attack the base. Because a healer, you're so weak. Okay, yep, just go that lane. Go that lane, go that lane, go that lane. Say my name, say my name. There we go, someone's attacking the base. Alright, 2 people are heading towards the base. This game's gonna be so long, so I'm just gonna cut to when they are starting to attack. Uh-oh. Yeah, I saved it. I'm gonna go in myself. For some reason, they all died when trying to get the base. Let's go. And the healer is heading to their base.
Dropship deployed. Guardian available.
Solar flare.
Healing roll available. 1 minute remaining. Enemy base core is critical.
we
30
did
seconds.
it. Alright, guys. Had to grab a little snack.
Ready for
But yeah. Now I'm using
Tiny Giant.
Gravitron and Tiny Giant. See you in the match. And Tiny Giant. I'm about to do that. Have some water. And get ready to heal everything. I'm gonna buy a boost real quick. The only attacking things this has is its ult move and its rockets. This thing's a beast when it comes to healing. There's also, I also saw this one YouTuber called Mighty Maestro, not sure if you heard of him. When he used the Gravitron, he for some reason upgraded the healing to max level instead of the rockets. I don't know why you should do that, so I'm thinking maybe I should try a strategy. Alright, let's go. Uh-oh. Run, I'm low. There's no way I can attack the tower, so all I have to do is just heal. And then use the rocket. Sweet. Help, get the turret.
Available. Tiny Giant available. Dropship respawned.
Guy thought his mobs could protect him.
Enemy diamond tower core is vulnerable. Enemy diamond tower core. Dropship deployed. Dropship cancelled. Upgrade available. Enemy diamond tower core is under attack. Enemy diamond tower core is critical. Enemy diamond tower core is critical. Enemy diamond tower destroyed.
Oh no.
Dropship deployed.
Yes.
Respawned.
Get in.
Upgrade.
Poor guy. He just got killed by 2 ult moves. Jeez. A&O, not bad. For when you're using only healers. I got this. Actually, I'm gonna want to have a chance to use the singularity. My goal for a challenge is to use everyone's alt move, so I'm gonna use that. So I'm gonna follow my rules. This. Sneak up. This guy's dead. Darn. That guy didn't have his healer with him, and he probably wouldn't survive. Why did I do that? Ease. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, and that's all of the vehicles, from scout to fighter to tank to artillery to support. Subscribe if you like Switchblade.